We are in the western part of the island of La Palma, more precisely in the valley called Aridane. Los Llanos, with more than 20,000 inhabitants, is the most populated city on the island, surpassing the capital by about 5,000 inhabitants. The name of the city seems to derive from the land on which it was founded, and it only acquired the suffix to Aridane around the 1940s. We arrive by car from the El Paso area, and after the first roundabout we drive along Carlos Francisco Lorenzo Navarro Avenue, lined with palm trees. Now we turn on to Dr. Fleming Avenue to reach the most historic part of the city. We continue on foot along this same street, and then turn down some typical side streets. The city is very peaceful and offers a very high quality of life. The streets are always very clean and pleasant to walk along, even though it is early in the morning and many shops are closed. The street that climbs upwards already gives us a glimpse of the typical colorful houses that characterize the historic center of the city. We will see many of them during the short tour, but they are always very beautiful. This is the Parish Church of Nuestra Señora de los Remedios, which we will see later, as it also has an entrance from the main square of the city. The mountains surrounding us, these small gardens, the colorful little houses we will see shortly, and the numerous houses with wooden balconies. A spectacular setting. We continue climbing as the city awakens. These alleys, these colorful little houses, everything is very typical and beautiful. Passing through Calle Aridane, we go down Calle Real, which will take us to the main square, where the town hall building is also located. The lights and decorations are on display for the Christmas festivities. The video was shot in mid-November. Don't forget to push a like button, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. These small things are free for you, but very important for the channel. Here begins the main square, Plaza de España, with its beautiful trees, and right here on the right we see the inscription with the name of the city. To our left is the town hall building with the flags, and to the right is the Parish Church. The interior is very typical of the Canary Islands. White walls and an apparently classical style, but with a dark wooden ceiling and altars decorated in a completely Baroque style. walking under these trees, I say goodbye and thank you for watching this video. Thanks.